What's up, guys? It's Saturday, and man, we had a freaking blast last night. I'm gonna insert a clip of Alex because he's not here today.
Welcome back!
So anyway, reason for this video, I've had so many emails about literally the KTM 500 recently. Guys are asking me if that makes a good build, you know, trail machine, maybe something that can go on the motocross track, and just a lot of questions about it. So I'm actually gonna show you guys some clips that we took, I think a couple years ago. Austin got on this thing. The thing was unbelievable. It was like one of the best all-around trikes we ever built. The suspension is super soft for motocross. And just remember, guys, this thing is not set up for motocross. And honestly, the suspension was too soft. We made it work, but the suspension's too soft. It has as much ground clearance as possible, 22-inch back tires. I mean, this thing is a trail setup, and that's what our customer wanted. But he said, hey guys, have fun, ride it at the track, and just for the hell of it, see what it can do. But you're gonna have that. I mean, it's a trail bike. So Austin got on this thing. He ripped around a local motocross track back in New York. And you guys can see what it did. I mean, just check out the clips. Let me know what you guys think. Again, we've had a lot of questions about that specific bike and all the KTMs lately, including the 300. Yeah, I wanted to put these clips up for you guys today. Hope you enjoy them, and we're gonna have more content coming tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Welcome to the channel.